Hello investors, traders, and Market Club members everywhere. Adam Hewison here, co-founder of Market Club with your market update for Tuesday, the 11th of March. The chart we're looking at on the screen right now is a chart of the Dow. And as you can see, starting in January, which is right here, the market's practically flat for the year. Not a lot of changes. And we've sort of been going sideways now for the last several days. And that's a little bit of a concern. If you look, in fact, at the Dow 30, you've got at least 12 to 13 of the Dow stocks in downtrends, longer-term downtrends, and you've got obviously the balance about 18 in uptrend. So it's really in almost a transitionary phase. I think you want to be very, very careful in these markets. They say never to sell a quiet market. Well, this has been very, very quiet for the last 5 days. So let's see how that plays out. And let's see this day here, if you just look at this very, very closely. This is a negative engulfing line, engulfs the previous day's action. If we close lower today, this will be confirmed. The 16.5 will be confirmed as a top for the moment. So let's pay close attention to this. Let's pay close attention to the Dow. NASDAQ, a little bit different story. Obviously, we started out the year right around here. All the trade triangles, with the exception of the daily, are positive, moving up. You have an outside day here. Again, this is a situation where this market could really potentially turn from here, but it's still not there yet. All the pieces aren't in place. We still have our weekly trade triangle, which is the one I would definitely want to watch on this one, and our monthly trade triangle, of course, is still very positive and has been for quite some time. On the S&P 500, you can see how flat this market is. It ranged from 1870 to 1880, really kind of a flat market. And again, we want to watch that market very, very carefully, particularly the weekly, because we're at 85, indicating a strong trend. We are higher for the year. No reason to seem to want to buy the market. Nobody wants to really want to buy the market. Nobody wants to sell the market. So it's kind of like in this very, very quiet zone here that it hasn't made up its mind what it wants to do. Watch the parabolic as well. That'll kick in sometime around the 1863 level, which is about 15 points from where we are right now. On FOREX, this is the gold, same pattern there, sort of sideways between the 1330 level and the 1360, 1350 area. So moving sideways, getting accustomed to its new level of support. And as you can see, we were trading way down back here, below $1,200 in late December, and we've come a long way. So it's not unusual for a market to catch its breath, much like it caught its breath here. It had another leg up, and we're sort of going sideways here. Now, we may see a little bit more of a pullback, but nonetheless, the longer-term trend based on our monthly trade triangles is still very, very positive. This is natural gas, same picture here, sideways action, and it's beginning to look like it wants to go higher because all of our trade triangles are positive, but nonetheless, we're sort of down to a support area, so it really needs to get over the $26 level to get this market moving on the upside again. For right now, it's trapped between 25 and 26, and something has to happen. You see our parabolic, which is this little dot right here, comes in at 24.96. If it goes below there, then you may see some further weakness in this particular, and that was an ETF UNG. This is the FOREX. Now, this is one market that does actually have a strong trend. I'll scope this in just a little bit further, and what I like about this is the fact that you have this really nice area of, let me just sketch this in what I'm looking at that I like about this. So here you are, you have this area of resistance right here. Boom, you've broken out right here, you broke out. That's when Draghi came out and said the interest rates and so forth, made his comments on Europe. So you can move from this level here, the 135 to the 138 level. That's 3 points. Okay, add that, that takes you up to 141. And I think that's probably where we're going to go. And if you got really ambitious, you could measure down to this level here, the 134 level up to the 138. That takes you to the 142 level. So I would say that's going to be where we're going to see the euro head. Not sure what's going to drive it there, but technically this market's formed a nice basin, and it looks like it just wants to go higher. So I'd really pay close attention to it. Hey, this is Adam Hewison from Market Club. Sort of sideways markets, not a lot to talk about. We've got to be a little bit patient here. Bullish on the gold, bullish on the euro against the dollar. Indices were sort of mixed, still bullish, but it looks as though they're just running out of gas. That's my gut feeling. But we'll need to see more technical evidence of that happening. Hey, have a great trading day, everyone. I'll be back very soon with another update for Market Club. Thanks for watching.
You can find Adam Hewison as a regular contributor on Bloomberg, Business News Network, CNBC, and Fox Business News.